Alright, so yeah, the engine's in. We're pretty much putting miscellaneous stuff on here. We just put a new belt. And as you can see, we did the DIY heater hose. Getting ready for that. And a couple of other things that we're going to try to start up today. Alright, so yeah, we're almost done here. As you can see, the custom heater hose DIY. I rerouted the reservoir, and well, we're gonna flush out the radiator because you can see all the stuff in here. So after that, start it. Alright, we're getting ready to start Kenny's truck for the first time in 10,000 years. Let me know when you're ready. Go for it.